everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and today it's so hot out here, we're going to plant some of our shade plants. And the first one, and one of my favorites I have to say, is from Monrovia. Great company with great history, great plants. The first one is Sonic Red New Guinea Impatiens. And I don't know if you know anything about the New Guinea Impatiens. Obviously they come from the island of New Guinea, but in 1886 they were introduced to Europe, which was great. However, in the early 1900s we almost lost this. You couldn't find these due to a blight, a Guinea blight. Thank goodness Monrovia has a whole bunch. So we're going to pair these with a few other trailing. Well, this is trailing. New Guinea is not trailing, it's mounding. And it mounds so well it could go 2 feet. It's a showstopper, I'm telling you. Summer of blooms. And we're also going to do some white impatiens, just stock. These stay lower as long as you don't overcrowd them. Let me show you in a pot. All right, New Guinea Impatiens like moist soil, so I'm adding soil moist. This stuff really works. It helps a lot. And then I'm using Job's. It produces more flowers, it says, and it really does. And I'm only gonna put this kind of in the back area, but not in the front. And the reason being is the spiller that we're putting in, and I'll try to pronounce this, Dorotheanthus, I think it's out of Africa, or I forgot where it is. It hates fertile soil. It's kind of like the ice plant. Leave me alone, let me grow, you know, which is great. Great for house plants, especially for those people that are bad about watering. Okay, mix this in, and that's it. Now, when you have something that's going to mound, but you want to get other stuff in here, oh, nice roots, you're going to put the larger one that mounds in the back. So it'll mound all the way here, and I can pull it forward. Then I always put my spiller in so I know where it is. I kind of do it opposite of everybody else. Now, with these, I'm going to take some of these runners and I'm going to put them out further because this will root and make more plants. So I'm going to do the same here. So by about a month, these will just take off like crazy. Now the white impatiens, I'm going to start here. Well, I'm just going to do 3 of them really. So right here, and I'm going to kind of fold them over. This is right behind the spiller and one in the side. Now, maintenance. I'm going to top this with some leaf compost because as you water it, all the fertilization will go down into the plant. I don't need to mix that in, and it'll keep it cooler. And then when it gets really hot, I will add some probably cedar mulch. It keeps the mosquitoes away, the bugs away, and it smells good, and it'll keep it cool. All right, see how simple that is? These are easy plants to work with, easy to go in. Don't overcrowd your pots, you'll regret it later. And when you have something like the Sonic Red New Guinea Impatient, I mean, it's a showstopper. It doesn't need anything really, maybe a few things, but that's it. Have a great day, and please subscribe, like, and share, and go get your New Guinea Impatiens from Monrovia. Bye.